Welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about robotics in everyday life. When people hear the word robot, they often think of science fiction. They imagine metal bodies, human-like faces, and machines that can talk and think. But in real life, robots are already here. And many of them are much simpler than we imagine. You don't need any technical background to understand this episode. Just listen. So, what is a robot? In simple terms, a robot is a machine that can perform tasks automatically or with very little human control. Robots are designed to do things that are repetitive, dangerous, or very precise. In the past, robots were mostly used in factories. Today, they are moving into our homes, our hospitals, and even our daily routines. This is why robotics is becoming part of everyday life. Let's start with a basic idea. Most modern robots are not human-shaped. They don't walk like people. They don't talk like people. Instead, they are built for specific tasks. For example, a robot arm in a factory may only move in a few directions, but it can do the same action thousands of times without getting tired. This makes robots very useful. They are consistent, they are accurate, and they don't need breaks. Robots also rely on sensors. Sensors allow robots to sense the world around them. A sensor can detect light, sound, movement, or distance. When a robot receives information from its sensors, it can react. This is how robots avoid obstacles, follow paths, or adjust their actions. In simple words, sensors help robots understand their environment. Let's slow down for a moment. When people say robots are smart, they don't mean robots are intelligent like humans. Robots don't have feelings. They don't have opinions. They follow instructions. Some robots use artificial intelligence, which helps them learn from data. But even then, they are still tools. Very advanced tools, but tools nonetheless. Now, let's talk about robots at home. One common example is the robot vacuum cleaner. It moves around the house, cleans the floor, and returns to its charging station. It doesn't think about cleaning. It follows a program. Some robot vacuums can create maps of your home. They learn where furniture is. They learn where walls are. This helps them clean more efficiently. For many people, this small robot saves time every day. Robots are also changing healthcare. In hospitals, robots can help deliver medicine. They can move through hallways without bumping into people. Some robots assist doctors during surgery. These robots don't replace doctors. Instead, they help doctors perform very precise movements. This can reduce mistakes and improve patient safety. In healthcare, robots are tools that support human skills. We also see robots in public spaces. Some restaurants use robots to deliver food to tables. Airports use robots to provide information. Warehouses use robots to move heavy packages. These robots help reduce physical strain on workers. They also help businesses operate more efficiently. Over time, people become used to seeing robots around them. There are a few technology-related expressions that often appear when people talk about robotics. One common word is automation. Automation means using machines to perform tasks with little human effort. Another common word is efficiency. When something is efficient, it uses less time or energy to get the same result. You will often hear these words in technology news and business discussions. Some people worry about robots and jobs. This is a real concern. Robots can replace certain tasks, especially simple and repetitive ones. However, robots also create new kinds of work. People are needed to design robots, to program them, to maintain and improve them. In many cases, robots change jobs rather than eliminate them. So what does the future look like? Robots will likely become more common, but also more invisible. They may work quietly in the background, helping with logistics, helping with healthcare, helping with daily tasks. Instead of dramatic robot characters, we will see practical machines that make life easier. The key idea is balance. Robots work best when they support humans, not replace them. Robotics in everyday life is not about the future anymore. It is about the present. Robots are already cleaning homes, assisting doctors, and supporting workers. Understanding this technology helps us understand the world we live in. And learning English through technology helps you stay connected to that world. Thank you for listening. Technology keeps moving forward, and your English can move forward too. Just keep listening. I'll see you next time.